What's going on, everybody? Welcome back over to Fountain Fox Garage. I know we've been on hiatus since like October. So what we're doing today, we're up here at Jersey's. So we're starting out with a radio install. As you can see, we're a little eager. Jersey's already in the truck, tearing this out. So we got the dash bezel off, and I'm gonna show you guys the radio kit I got from Crutchfield. But we were getting rid of that unsightly thing. This is similar to the radio that we put in his truck, but it's more for Apple CarPlay because I'm a normal person who likes Apple. Whoa! Oh wow, I was expecting you to be flipping me off. Nope. Anyway, so we're gonna get started on that, and we'll fill you guys in from there. It had a Boss audio. I thought it was Bose when I bought the truck. I was all excited. It was a Boss audio. Worked okay, had a couple weird things, but my truck was stolen in 2017. RIP'd version 1 of my truck, and they took the radio. So it's now 2020. It's taken me this long to feel comfortable putting a nice radio in it again. So for my truck, and even for his truck, I have more motivation for his truck than he does, to make both of them closer to what we want. So for my truck, you're just gonna have to stay tuned for that. I don't want to give away too much, but we might be building something for this truck that we might be building for his truck too. Just in case, but don't do that. Okay, so let me show you the new part and we'll go ahead and get that installed. So I got this kit off of Crutchfield.com. So the radio, the harness, and I opted in for the pre-built harness. Jersey here, we soldered his, as you can see in a previous video. For like hours. Yeah, it took a while. And the same dash din kit, X1000, Frito, a little dash panel kit, and this is all the harness junk. So yeah, this should be everything we need to plug in right now to the truck. Look at these weird papers. What's a instruction manual?
Oh, they're on out.
Yeah, I don't think we need that. Go ahead and get that out, cut it up, get it fitted. What?
You remember all the cutting we had to do on mine?
Yeah.
Oh, shit. Alright, so the radio is installed and looks phenomenal. So excited for that. So now, in a changing course of events, like earlier in the video when I said 2020 is going to be the year to really change up the truck, one of the changes we're doing, getting rid of that. And since Jersey now is the proud owner of a dirt bike that we did not film in an episode, which we really should have. That was an eventful day.
Yeah, we really should have, especially because we almost died. So anyway, I'm giving him the 50-inch light bar just because I think he'll get more use out of it. What I'm changing to, I will make a later video about, because there's no videos anywhere of how to install the brackets I'm getting. So that should be fun. So we're going to take the brackets off of my truck, get my truck out of here, pull his truck in, put this on, maybe wire it, maybe not. Who knows? That's how we roll. She's naked. She's so bare. It's not there anymore. That's kind of what he said, but
she's naked in a neighborhood.
Yeah. So possible foreshadowing of what might come up there, maybe not. I don't know. But first, we must clean. well, slight shift of plans. We're kind of pushing back on the light bar install right now. We're actually going to be installing Jersey's microphone because since I put mine in, now he's pretty excited to put his in. Now I'm going to pull his radio out in order to connect it. I think we're going to wire it pretty much the same way that I just did mine, and then we'll see where we go from there, really. Yeah, we don't usually have an abundance of plan when we work on stuff together. We just wing it, so.
Oh, I'm sorry. I don't know what to do.
Just put him down on your side, Ricky Bobby. Oh, okay. So now that his mic is installed, we're gonna pull the radio back out that we just installed. We're gonna hook up the wires to his backup camera, and I guess we'll show you guys how to hook up the backup camera today. I don't know how, so. Okay, now that we know what we're doing, we're gonna install the one yellow wire into the back of the radio. These, I have no idea where they go yet. Probably to
Power.
Probably what, the reverse lights?
No.
Or just constant power?
Just power.
Oh, okay. Sure.
Or key on power is what I'm going to look for.
So a little bit of a time jump here. As you can see, I also changed my shirt. It got a little warm today. And so we went, got some connectors. As soon as we figure out which wire to actually hook it to, we're still not sure.
Well, once we find some, I guess.
True. Time for a Google search. Okay. Here goes nothing. Well, so far the backup camera isn't going too smooth. Let's see what he's got going on out here.
Yeah, because I've got this going to ground and the reverse going to power. Oh. Well, looks like I gotta redo my end.
Did you not crimp it tight again? So, boys and girls, what I'd like to take away from this is when you're starting out as a mechanic, or at least just doing things on your own, and you want to get into electrical, make sure you get a decent pair of wire crimpers. Let me show you a non-decent pair of wire crimpers.
They're great wire strippers.
Yes, that's why I said crimpers.
Yeah.
Great wire strippers. These are not good wire crimpers. You see that? Make sure you get real crimpers, not these cheap piles of junk.
They're not cheap.
Yeah, well, sometimes dual use is not the right answer. So, keep that in mind. Sometimes you get away with not having the right tool, but it makes it a lot easier.
And other times you're in my boat and you want to end your life. So fun.
Just looks so beautiful. Oh, I also got new tires. Also unfilmed in that off time. The holiday season was pretty crazy for me, so you okay?
God. Yeah, this is definitely the reason it didn't work.
Well, let's hope.
Are my reverse lights off?
I have no idea.
Oh! What the fuck? What the fuck is this? Yeah, you're up here. Why is it so shitty? Okay, it's definitely up here. Do I want to live with that? Okay, now all we need to do is fab up what we're going to mount on the bumper.
Too much, go back.
That looks great. It's really, really fuzzy. Nope, too much. Go back, go back, go back. Oh, I lost it. There you go. Yeah, tighten it. It's still going in and out of signal. Oh, there you go. Yeah. Actually, that's perfect. It even got rid of the wrinkle at the top. A little bit. It's got just a hair in the corner. So that just means that must just be literally the signal.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, there you go. Commonly replaced part on 99 to 2007 Chevys and GMCs. Yeah. I think it looks fantastic, brother.
Now my fucking radio should be worth the fucking $500 $700 investment I did in it.
So we'll check back in a little bit once that's aimed and all that. Okay, we'll see what we're doing about light bar, or maybe save it for another video. So, the hourly update for you guys. We have now resorted to removing Jersey's back seat in order to gain access to like a vent panel in the back corner over there, because his backup camera, let's come up there, the wireless transmitter has pretty shitty signal. So we're gonna remove the back seat, or at least loosen it, so that we can gain access to that vent, drill or puncture a hole in it, run the wire, and hopefully have his backup camera. And of course, it snowballed out of our control.
Pull up now.
Yeah.
Pull up again.
We just need it forward, honestly. Or just out a little bit. Well, there you go. That's how you get a seat out. So, anyone wanting to remove a seat, you got that. You got one right there, which is that. And then the bracket on that side. We'll follow up with you guys once we get it, get the wire out where we want it to. But well, as with all of our projects, and as you can see, I'm back in my hoodie because things tend to get out of control, right, Jersey?
I can't see.
So
You didn't even see it. Oh, I actually can't see right now. You just keep talking. Okay, Eric, where's the power button on your phone? No, answer me this. Where's the power button on your phone?
okay. Well, we did it again. We're not very good at this whole YouTube thing. So yeah, I keep forgetting that I keep filming low and I don't look good low. And I'm like, I need to film up here. Like, hey,
Double check.
hey,
how's it going, guys? Muhammad Jihad.
Oh, jeez. So, hey guys. It's 2 weeks from the footage that you just saw. I believe we probably left off somewhere around him laying under his truck trying to put in a backup camera.
Yeah, because they're making fun of me.
Yeah.
Every time I put it out in front of the bumper, it would connect.
Yes. It's been 2 weeks. As usual, we forget to film outros when we realize. So I pinpointed the problem. We work on stuff, but it's never usually fully done, so we don't know to stop filming or to like do an outro. Whereas mine, like I have a start and I have a finish and I know where they're at.
Well,
So we film an outro.
because this is just like earlier when I was talking about. When we do stuff for you, it always works
It works out, yeah.
And when we do stuff for me, it never
It
works
just
out.
clusterfucks, yeah. So it's 2 weeks later. The radio works great.
Well, we did the radio in that video. We did.
Yeah, so we did the radio, and then we tried to do his backup camera. There will be a follow-up video because he probably won't do it until I'm there because he doesn't like working on anything unless it's with his friends, i.e. me. So that's actually going to be it for this video, but stay tuned for the next one because here's a quick sneak peek of what might be happening now, but you'll have to watch for the next video. Hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.
Audio Jungle.
my face?
I just want to see how close it can get.
Put it in the